Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at something essential for any audio setup, the Smithok 2 Pack 1.4 to XLR cables. Right out of the box, the convenience of getting two cables in one package is a huge plus, especially for those who need multiple connections for their studio or live sound rig. The first thing that truly stands out about these cables is their construction. They boast a heavy-duty nylon braided exterior, which isn't just for show. This braiding provides exceptional durability, protecting the internal wiring from kinks, snags, and general wear and tear that often plague standard PVC cables. It also makes them remarkably tangle-resistant, a feature anyone who's ever wrestled with a mess of cables will deeply appreciate. This robust build quality suggests these cables are designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use, whether they're being coiled up after a gig or staying put in a home studio. Moving on to the connectors, Smithok has equipped these with gold-plated plugs. This is a critical detail for maintaining signal integrity. Gold plating resists corrosion far better than other metals, ensuring a clean, consistent connection over time. This means less signal degradation and a purer sound transmission, which is paramount for professional audio applications. The 1.4 end is a balanced TRS tip-ring sleeve connector designed to pair with the 3-pin XLR male end. This balanced configuration is key for reducing electromagnetic interference and noise, especially over longer cable runs. For anyone connecting microphones, instruments, or other line-level gear to mixers, audio interfaces, or powered speakers, this balanced design is a non-negotiable for achieving high-fidelity sound. At 6.6 feet, or approximately 2 meters, these cables offer a practical length for a wide array of uses. They're long enough to provide flexibility in setup without introducing excessive cable clutter. Whether someone is connecting a condenser microphone to an interface, patching a guitar amp's line out to a mixer, or linking studio monitors, this length hits a sweet spot. The versatility as both a microphone cable and a general patch cable makes them incredibly useful additions to any audio toolkit. In summary, the Smithok 2 Pack 1.4 to XLR cables appear to be a solid investment for anyone serious about their audio connections. The combination of heavy-duty nylon braiding, gold-plated balanced TRS to XLR connectors, and a practical length, all coming in a convenient 2-pack, makes them a compelling option for both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned professionals looking for reliable, high-quality cables that won't break the bank. They seem built to last and perform consistently, ensuring that the sound signal remains as clean and clear as possible.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.